I want to eat half of the chocolate. So, what is half? It is a fraction. Today, our class is on fractions only. Halves and quarters. So, here I have 8 parts. Now, there are 8 parts of a spinning wheel. What would be the region of only one of them? Yes, it would be 1 by 8. But how? Yes, this is indeed very interesting. How it would be 1 by 8? As the total number of parts is 8 and I have one of these parts. Therefore, it makes 1 by 8. 1 by 8 would be for each and every part of this circle. But if I have 2 parts, these two, then what would be it? It would be 2 by 8, the area which these two have. As 8 is the total number of parts and these are 2 parts. Now, what do we do with 2 by 8? 2 by 8 is indeed very different. So, we can simplify it as 1 by 4. But how? We will divide the numerator and denominator by 2, so we get 1 by 4. Remember, we cannot square these two. We cannot subtract anything from these. We cannot add anything. We can divide or we can multiply. Now, here we have a chocolate. The chocolate has 24 parts. Raji had how many parts? He had half of the chocolate. Therefore, how many parts did he have? He had 12 parts. Sheila had 1/3 of the chocolate. Therefore, she had 8 parts as 24 divided by 3 or 24 into 1 by 3 are the same. So, we take 24 divided by 3 which is 8. Now, Raji got 12 parts, Sheila got 8 parts and the remaining was eaten by Manju. How many parts? 4. But how will we express 4 as in fraction? So, 4 would be expressed as a fraction by 4 by 24 as 4 out of 24 parts. Sorry, it would be 6 by 24 which gives us 4. Now, here I have some caps. How many of them have a navy blue color and a design on them? Yes, there are 3 like this. Therefore, 3 caps have a navy blue color. What is the total number of caps? Yes, the total number of caps is 14. Therefore, the number of navy blue caps is 3 and the total number is 14. Now, next, what are the number of black caps with a design or not? Yes, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, 5 caps have a black color with a design. So, 5 by the total number of caps which is again 14. Now, what would be the number of caps which are white and have a design or not? Yes, they are 2. Therefore, which makes 2 by 14. 2 by 14 can be written as 1 by 7 as per division. 2 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Now, the number of remaining caps, what is it? It is 4. But we can calculate it with, if we don't have this data, then also we can calculate it. How? It would be as per 3 by 14 plus 5 by 14 and we add 2 by 14. These are the parts which have a significant color. Now, we will subtract this from 1. What do we get when we add this? 10 by 14. Now, 1 minus 10 by 14 which is 4 by 14. How do we get 4 by 14? Yes, it is as minus 10 by 14, which gives us 4 by 14. Therefore, 4 by 14. Therefore, how many of them have a different color? Yes, here also we had the answer 4 and here also we have the answer 4. Now, how can be this simplified? 4 by 14 can be simplified as per the rules of division. 4 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2, which gives 2 by 7. 2 divided by 7. Now the next. Here we have some puzzles. First, here is a triangle. How can we divide it into 3 equal parts? So, we can divide this like this. Or what is the other thing? How can we divide? Yes, first we will take the center. Then from center, we will extend lines to the corners. And by that also, we can get the answer. Yes, our answer was right. Next, here we have a game for you. First, how many parts are there? First, there is a one whole part. Then, what would be these two parts? These would be half, as there are two parts. And we want one of them. Now, here there are 4 parts and we want one of them. What would be this part? It would be 1 divided by 4, as 4 is the total number of parts. And we want one part. Yes. Now, next, this part or this part would be 1 by 8 as 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 divided by 2. 1 by 4 divided by 2 can be written as 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. So, which gives us 1 by 8. Therefore, there would be 1 by 8 in each of the following. Now, did you notice one thing? 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. Now, here is a vegetable garden. In 2 parts of the total 6 parts, brinjal grows. In 3 parts, what grows? Yes, in 3 parts, tomato grows. And only in 1 part, potato grows. So, how much part of the field is brinjal grown? It is very simple. Total number of parts, which is 6. And out of 6, the number of parts which have brinjal, 2 by 6. Now we divide numerator and denominator by 2, which gives us 1 by 3. Therefore, the 1/3 of the field has brinjals in it. Now, 1/3 of the field has brinjals. So, how much field has tomatoes? Yes, tomatoes. Half field has the tomatoes. How? Yes, because the total number of parts are 6 and 3 parts have tomatoes. Now we divide the numerator and denominator by 3. Therefore, we get half. You can also think it like this. Here I have a box. In a box, here is a box. Inside the box, there are 6 parts. Now, 3 of these parts I have shaded. So, this part can be written as half. In the next box, also, I just divide it into 2. Therefore, the shaded part in both of the squares is same. Therefore, 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Now, how much part has potato? Total number of parts is 6 and the number of parts in which potato is grown is 1. Therefore, 1 by 6 part has potatoes in it. Now, here we have a very interesting story. First, there was a mother. She had a will. In her will, there was written she had 19 camels. So, in the will, it was written that half of the camels would be given to my eldest sister. And then, one-fourth of the camels would be given to my second largest sister, and to the smallest sister, 1/5 of the camels would be given. So, the 3 Three daughters had a quarrel. How can we cut a camel? Because 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. But we can't cut a camel. So, one more camel was there. They took that camel. Therefore, there are now 20 camels. Now, they distributed it. So, the eldest of them got how many camels? Half of 20. What is it? It is 10. So, the eldest one got 10 camels. Now, the next one got 5 camels as 1 by 4 of 20. 1 by 4 into 20 is equal to 5. Therefore, he got 5 camels. Then 4 camels, the eldest, the smallest daughter got. Why 4? Because she had to get 1 by 5th of the camels. And the one camel was left. So they left the camel in the jungle. Therefore, they had equally distributed the camels. Here, there is a puzzle for you. One more interesting thing. So, first, here there is a box. This part of the box is shaded. Here, of the remaining part, we have to find half of the part. So, we will make a line like this. These two are half of the part. Now, next, there is a square like this. In this, we have to make 3 equal parts. In the non-shaded region, we can make them like this. Yes, we were right. Then, here is one more part. In this part is shaded. We have to make how many parts of the remaining region? Of the remaining region, we have to make 4 parts. It is very difficult, but you can do it. First, we will make a line from here to the center. Then, to the center of the square. And here. Then, we can make a line like this. And we finally make a line like this. Therefore, these parts are equal. Let's see if our method is right. Yes, our method was right. Now the last square. Here was a square. To make 7 parts of this square, we can make 6 lines like this. This was the hardest, but actually the easiest. Thank you. Bye. If you like, please subscribe. We will be taking many interesting